would always want stakeholders to be present at each and every stage. So starting from the polling station itself, we do request political parties and candidates to place their monitors or representatives, at most 2 of them for each polling station. Then when we go to the constituency tally center, we also request for the same, and the same also applies for the national tally center. Each and every contesting political party or independent candidates is at liberty to place their monitors to monitor the process. So I should go into detail that when we at the National Tally Center, the results which we have received and we are processing for the commission, we do make a copy of all the results, the documentation available to the party representative. This is one way of ensuring that we enhance transparency of the process, and we do always urge the party representatives to always be cross-checking what we have received here, if it's the same which their monitors also got at the constituency or at the polling station. So once the commission is looking into the results, the parties are also at liberty to be cross-checking what we have here against what their counterparts had at the constituency and also polling station level. The process that if they encounter anything that is different or departing from what their monitors had, they are free to raise that with us at the National Tally Center level so that we resolve or reconcile anything.
In an event that you get all the results today here at the Tally Center, when should Malawians expect the official announcement of the results?
Well, one thing I should explain is that the elections are always guided by legal professions. When we look into general elections, the law is very clear that for presidential, we should release within 8 days, for parliamentary 14, and for local government 21. But then when it comes to by-elections, there is nothing of that sort. The commission has not been given a minimum number of days in which we should process and release the results. So the discretion is always to the commission, depending on the processes that we are having. So without hurrying or delaying the process, when all the processes are concluded, the commission has got no business skipping or holding on to the results. We'll release them as soon as we're done. But for now, I can't commit to a time or a specific day.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
That's Mr. Tamvani, spokesperson for the Malawi Electoral Commission. Give us an update of so far what has been done and what has been received here at the BICC in Lilongwe, where the Tally Center has been situated by the Malawi Electoral Commission. Joining me is one of our reporters, Olive, who has been following up the process. Good morning, Olive.
Good afternoon.
It's afternoon now. It's now 12. Okay, fine. Just give us an update. You have been following the processes. You have been here anyway since morning or since yesterday. Tell us what is it that you have so far observed.
All right. I have only come with results from official results, yes, from 4 constituencies, and these are from the Zotsatira, Rumpi Central, Blantyre West, and Kota Lualatsi. So from the Zotsatira, it seems Patrick Bandawe is leading, and from Rumpi West, Matthew Zintumbuka, UTM candidate, is also reading there, and Blantyre West, Mavuto Gulo, independent, is the one who is leading there, and from Kota Lualatsi, unofficial results are showing that Tokozi Lunji, a TPP candidate, is leading.
Olive wakhala kunoko mwina kuyambira dzulo lero kutsatira bwinobwino mwina zomwe atolankhani anthu amene ali kumadera mwina zikhawo zimenezi akukupatsira muna kutipatsira tangu tipatse mwina chithunzi chopakadali panopo zikuoneka bwanji zosatsimikizikazi madera amene watolera.
Chabwino zonadi inetu ndabwera ndi ma unofficial results kuchokera madera aphungu anayi omwe ndi Zotsatira, Rumpi Central, Blantyre West, komanso Kota Lualatsi. Nde ku Zotsatira kumeneko ma results osatsimikizika akusonyeza kuti Patrick Bandawe amene wandi MCP ndi amene akutsogolera kumeneko, pamene kulumpi central Matthews Ntumbuka amene ndi candidate wa UTM nayenso kumene zikusonyeza kuti akutsogola pomwe Blantyre West Mavuto Gulu a independent ndi amenenso akutsogola pomwe ku Nkhotakota Liwaladzi atokozile Lunch amene wanti candidate wa DPP ndi amene zikuonetsa kuti akutsogola kumene
tatokoza kwambiri
zikomo ndikakhala kuti ndatolera unofficial results amakhansa ndikhale ndikubweranso pano
tatokoza kwambiri amene ndi Olive Phiri mmodzi mwa olemba athu olemba nkhani kuno ku MBC amene ali kuno ku Tale Center kutipatsa chithunzithunzi cha zotsatira zosatsimikizika zimene zikubwera kuchokera madera osiyanasiyana. Ife pano pa MBC Radio 1 komanso MBC TV tikhale kupatsirani tsatanetsatane wa nkhani zimenezi zikamafika ndiponso tizibweretsa akuluakulu amene akuniza chisankho chimene zilili mukuti ayi umu ndi mmene zili koma padali pano tabwezere banja anzathu ku Blantyre ku Chichi Broadcasting House komanso kukwacha kuti apitire kutipatsira zambiri zimene alikonzera tsiku la lero. Ine ndi mwa mtumwa zitokoza onse amene ali modzi kuno ku PCC.